In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a bookkeeper managing payroll, this guide will help you record manual paychecks effortlessly within your QuickBooks Online account. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your chart of accounts. This is a crucial step because your chart of accounts is the foundation where all your financial transactions are organized. In QuickBooks Online, you can easily find it by heading over to the left-hand navigation pane. If you're not familiar, think of the chart of accounts as the comprehensive list of all your company's financial transactions, categorized neatly. Once you're on this page, we're ready to proceed. Now that you're in the chart of accounts, the next thing you'll do is click on the New button. This button allows you to create new accounts or entries, and it can usually be found somewhere visible at the top of the page. Clicking New is a way to tell QuickBooks that you're about to record a new transaction or entry, which in this case is your manual paycheck. After clicking New, you'll select the option labeled Check. This is the step where your entry starts to take shape as a paycheck. When you choose Check, you're essentially recreating the traditional paper check setup. It's like you're filling out a digital version of a paper check that we all might be familiar with, but this time it's done entirely within QuickBooks. Then move on to the Entires field where it asks for the payee. This is where you'd enter the name or details of the person or entity you're paying. Make sure you have this information accurate to avoid any bookkeeping errors down the line. Next, identify the bank account you'd like the paycheck funds to come from. QuickBooks should list all your linked accounts here. Choose the appropriate account, which keeps your financial records precise and organized. With the bank account chosen, look for the field that prompts you for a mailing address. It's common practice to keep this information updated with your payee's latest contact details. Even in a digital world, some entries still require an address, so be sure you're entering accurate information. Proceed by entering the payment date. This is the actual date the funds are available. Choosing the correct date ensures that your financial statements and account reconcile correctly. Then fill in the check number section. If you're writing traditional checks alongside your QuickBooks transactions, having an up-to-date check number is important. Consistent numbering helps maintain an organized audit trail, useful for both you and your accountant. Lastly, don't forget to click on Memo and add any relevant notes or specifics about the paycheck. Memos can be invaluable later as reminders of why a particular transaction was made and can help clarify to others exactly what this check was for. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully entered a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online. This method keeps your records clean and ensures nothing gets overlooked in your financial tracking. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher, and thanks for tuning in.